go with a side step to the right. So step and touch together. Other way. Change sides for 4, 3, 2 and change. And change. Hold it here. March it through. 4, 3, 2. Two wide at the front, 2 together at the back. Tap change. Start with the left, left, right. Last 4, 3, 2. Other way. And change. 4, 3. And change. That's 4, 3. Last time to the right. 3, 2. Go into that V step or box step. Last 4, 3, 2. On the right. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. You ready for that tap change? This time, tap, change. Don't worry too much if you haven't got the tap change. If you're struggling with this, just march on the spot, keep moving, get those steps in. Okay, you're gonna march forward to me, 4, 3, 2 and a clamp. And watch if you've got something behind you like a skirting board. I'm gonna turn sideways and just use the space I've got so that I don't do that again. Do the same, use your space, watch out for your telly. Keep going. Turn back to face me. Let's pick up the beat. Side steps, step touch. Other way. And change. Change, last time to the right. Change sides for a count of 8. Ready to box step, V step on the right, 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 back, back. Forward, wide together at the back. Ready to tap change. We're going to march forward, make sure you've got space. So 4, 3, 2, and back. Just go in whichever direction feels good. So you can move it towards the corners, keep it straight, depends how big your workout space is really. Really try hard not to kick the skirting board here. Let's march it wide. Okay. Little bend and pull, bend and push. Now, I'm taking my arm up over my head. If that doesn't feel good for you, just take it across instead. 4, 3, side steps. And change sides. Well done. Change sides. Last time, right? And change. 4, 3, ready to that box step. Right foot forward and back. Wide. Together. 3. Tap and change to the left. Left, right. Keep it moving. 3, 4. Let's just keep it marching on the spot for now. Keep the feet moving. Waiting for the music to join us. Forward, 2, 3, and back, 2, 3. Take the right leg out to the side, to that side. And change. And change. And change. Knee lifts. To each side. And again. Ready to take it to 2 side steps. 2 this time. 2. So you might need to adjust your position on your mat slightly. This time on the end, you're going to touch out and out. Take it back. Touch. March it through. Catch the beat. Are you ready for knee lifts again? With this windshield I really can't say that, can I? Windshield arms. To each side. Go to a box step next, V step, whatever you want to call it, wide at the front, wide, wide, together, together. Ready to tap change, next time, tap change to the left. Now you can stick with that tap change, tap change. I'm going to tap change every time if you can. Now, keep it there, keep it just marching on the spot, or if you want to make it a bit harder, turn that a bit bigger. And I'm actually going to a horseshoe shape. It's pretty much the same movement with the feet, but I'm making my body move a bit further. Swinging the arm around. Hold it here. 2 steps, 2 steps. Come back. Touch out. Touching out. Let's take it behind. Okay. Coming over towards side of your mat. We're going to move to your left first. That'll confuse you. That's the opposite way than we normally go. So 2 steps together, step together, step together, step, cross behind, step together. That's our grapevine. If you don't want to do the grapevine, just stay with the step together. Let's take it up to speed. Step, step together, step, cross, step, tap, step. Well done. So I'm stepping behind in the middle, feet come together at the end for a grapevine. If you're really struggling with that, just keep it to a double step. Arms are too much, just let them swing. Hold it here, take the legs to the side. So I'm just tapping the toe out to the side. Reaching up. If that doesn't work, reach across the body. I'm twisting the body as I do this. Just keep it at a level that feels good for you. Coming across to this side of your mat, grapevine, and back. So this time we're starting with the right leg. Again, if you're not finding that any good for you, please do double steps. Swim with the arms maybe. Pick arms that work for you. Keep it as small as you need to, so if it's too much, here's fine too. Just do a double step, pull. Big. Let's march it through. So let those arms relax now. Just swinging the shoulders. We're going to cool the body down. Just taking those heels forward. Lift the toes up, feel a little stretch in the back of the calf and the back of the knee. It's only a very gentle stretch. We're not holding it. Legs out to the side. Doesn't matter which leg you started on. And behind. Arms however they feel comfortable, to the side. Pointing with my hands to the side. Those shoulders relax. Pull the shoulder blades back together. Keep that head and chest lifted. Take it behind. You can have both arms in front or just swing them. However feels best for you for balance. It might be both arms forward. Try and keep that upper body relaxed and lower back relaxed. Taking that back heel down. Stretch. Watch the back foot isn't turning out. Bring that leg in. Other leg back. Watch that heel down. You should be feeling it in the back of the calf, a little bit in the back of the knee. Keep that back nice and relaxed. We're looking for a relatively straight line from the top of the head through that heel. Watch the heels not in. Well done, that's all for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next workout. My name's Kim, and I'm going to say bye for now.